Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey, so today I wanted to come through and do a quick review of the Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. That's a long name. What I was trying to see is if this is going to be similar to the Main Choices Prickly Pear Overnight Conditioner. You all know in my most recent haul that I purchased this at the Ubiquitous Expo in Washington, DC. I picked this up for $5. I believe the original price is more than $5. So it says our Hawaiian Ginger Overnight Conditioner is the perfect solution for additional moisture and hydration your hair desperately needs. Not only are you restoring your hair while sleeping, but you are giving your hair a jump start for the next day. This conditioner is great for protecting your hair from split ends and leaves the hair feeling soft and silky. Infused with ginger and avocado to detangle, restore moisture, and to bring life back to dry, thirsty curls. The directions say to apply to hair, working from ends to root, and allow conditioner to stay in your hair overnight. Apply shower cap for added protection. Rinse conditioner in the morning prior to shampooing. So this is a Prepoo. It smells kind of tropical with like a hint of citrus. Not sure if you can see it, but it's not too thick to where I don't think it'll give me slip, but it does claim that it aids in detangling, but I don't know. We'll have to see. This is a 2-week-old braid out. My hair is so dirty. It says you're supposed to apply it before shampooing. Howsoever, I'm not going to leave this in overnight. I'm going to test it and see if it's going to work in an hour. I'm going to apply a plastic cap, let that sit in my hair for about an hour. And then I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the rest of my wash day. So let's see how this works. Okay, so I finished applying the overnight conditioner to my hair. Again, I'm not going to leave this in overnight. Probably going to leave this in for about an hour with a plastic cap. I can say that because I applied this to dry hair, I did have to use quite a bit, but it did have some pretty decent slip. My hair does feel more hydrated now that I've applied it, but I have to see how it feels once I rinse it out. So I'm going to go ahead and let this sit in my hair for about an hour and let you know how my hair feels. All right, check this out. It's been maybe an hour and a half. I'm going to take this out. It's been maybe an hour and a half. That's enough time. My hair, of course, feels fine with it in there, but it's dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and shampoo my hair. Then I'll come back and let you know how my hair is feeling after that. I am back from rinsing my hair with the overnight conditioner and shampooing my hair once, and I am confused. Directions tell you to use this prior to shampooing. I'm not sure what kind of sorcery is in this that allows my hair to still feel soft after shampooing. Granted, I did use a sulfate-free moisturizing cleanser, but like, doesn't it make sense that if you deep condition prior, you're like washing out the conditioner? I am confused. I'm going to actually try this again as a regular deep conditioner, like after shampooing my hair, and see if I notice a significant difference. My hair feels nice, but I wonder how this would react after shampooing. I don't know. I also want to say that I used a lot of this because of course you're using it on dry hair, so you don't have the water to like stretch it or to make it more distributable. Is that a word? I like this. Probably not something I would necessarily buy again because one, I have tons of deep conditioners. Two, I'm really confused on this overnight conditioning thing. If that's the case, can't we just make everything an overnight conditioner? Is this considered a pre-poo? Like, should I deep condition after I shampoo again? Like, I don't know. Be sure to let me know what you think about this overnight conditioner, if you've tried it or if you're interested in trying it. And also, help me understand like how my hair is soft still after shampooing out the conditioner. I just, you be sure to drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.